Okay students, now we see the next problem. Find z of n minus 1 whole square, means z transform of n minus 1 whole square. See the solution. Z of n minus 1 whole square means z transform of a minus b whole square here, n square minus 2n plus 1, that can be written as z of n square minus 2 into z of n plus z of 1. We know what is z of n square. That is z square plus z by z minus 1 whole cube minus 2 into z of n is z by z minus 1 whole square plus z of 1 means z by z minus 1. If you know these formulae, then only you do this problem. Just the solution is 4 or 5 lines, but you get full marks, 10 marks or 5 marks. Okay. If మీరు ఈ లైన్ రాయాలి అంటే కంపల్సరీ ఈ ఫార్ములా వచ్చి ఉండాలమ్మా, వాటికే మార్క్స్, ఒక్కొక్క దానికి ఒక్కో మార్కు. జెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ స్క్వేర్ మీన్స్ 1 మార్క్, జెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ మీన్స్ 1 మార్క్, జెడ్ ఆఫ్ 1 ఈజ్ 1 మార్క్. సో matter is very simple, 5 or 6 lines solution, but you get full marks ma. Okay, now let the LCM z minus 1 whole cube. Now this one is z square plus z, because it is z minus 1 whole cube already there, minus 2z into z minus 1 plus z into z minus 1 whole square. Then elaborate, z square plus z minus 2z square minus 2z into minus 1 plus 2z. Okay, then z into z a minus b whole square, you get z square minus 2z plus 1, z into, then as it is z square plus z minus 2z square plus 2z, then this one z cube minus 2z square plus z by same denominator. Now you observe ma, write the highest power term first, z cube, then z square minus 2z square minus 2z square minus 3z square, next z terms plus z plus 2z plus z means 4z. Okay, now that only we write here, z cube minus 3z square plus 4z by z minus 1 whole cube, which is the z transform of n minus 1 whole square. Now see the same problem, the problem which is like in the previous one. Find z of an square plus bn plus c. See this one ma, here z of n square minus 2n plus 1, here z of an square plus bn plus c. Okay, here n square coefficient is 1, here a is coefficient, so bring outside. Next minus 2, in place of minus 2 we have b, in place of c we have c, in place of 1 we have c. Just the numbers, multiple numbers are changed, the remaining one is same. This one is equal to, this one is equal to a into z of n square plus b into z of n plus c into z of 1. Okay, see here ma, this is minus symbol. Okay, minus bzn. See here, z of n is equal to z by z minus 1 whole square. Already we substitute here, in here also z of n, z of n square formula is here, z square plus z. Now you get this one, like this problem, like the above problem, you multiply all these terms and simplify. You simplify and write the answer here. Okay, see this previous one completely I have finished the first one, that is 11th problem. Now just you multiply with a and minus bz and a minus b whole square and write like this. Okay, okay ma. Now we see the next problem. Find z transform of 2n minus 5 sin n pi by 4 plus 3a power 4. Now let this one, so in solution write the given function z of 2n minus 5 sin n pi by 4 plus 3a power 4. Here we have in z function we have 3 terms, write separately. Now this one only n function in z terms, the remaining constant bring outside of z transform. Now z of 2n, 2n means 2 into n, only you write z of n, 2 is constant, bring outside. Next minus 5 sin n, in sin function only n, 5 is constant, so 5 by rasestam, z transform of sin n pi by z. Next plus 3a power 4 into 1, there is no n term, n లేనప్పుడు into 1 రాసుకోవాలి. So 3a power 4 into z of 1. Okay ma. Now what is z of n? Already we know it. Z by z minus 1 whole square into 2 is there. Next minus 5z constant. Next minus 5 constant. Here minus 5 constant. Now minus 5 into z of sin n theta. Okay, you see this one. Z of sin n theta is z sin theta by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1. Okay. Now z of sin n theta is z into sin theta by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1. See here ma, sin n theta, sin is function, n కావాల్సిన వేరియబుల్ z of n లో ఉంటుంది, theta is some angle. What is n here? Sin is function, n is there, into theta is there. What is into theta means here? N into pi by 4. Now in place of theta we have pi by 4. So the first term 2 into z of n means z by z minus 1 square minus 5. Z of sin n pi is z into sin theta. In place of theta we have pi by 4 by z square minus 2z cos theta. Theta means pi by 4 plus 1 plus 3a power 4 z by z minus 1. Theta is pi by 4 only. Now we have this one 2z by z minus 1 whole square minus 5z sin pi by 4 means sin 45 degrees, which is 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. Now substitute this 5z into sin pi by 4 means sin z into 1 by root 2 means sin 5z by root 2 by z square minus 2z cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 plus 1 plus third term 3a power 4 into z by z minus 1. Now you see here first term as it is and the second one 5z by root 2 5z by root 2 by z square. Here minus 2z into 1 అంటే 2z by root 2. రూట్ 2 ఇక్కడ క్యాన్సిల్ పోతుంది. 2 మీన్స్ రూట్ 2 ఇంటూ రూట్ 2. ఒక రూట్ 2 క్యాన్సిల్ పోయిందంటే ఇంకా ఇంకో రూట్ 2 ఉంది. రూట్ 2 ఇంటూ జెడ్ ఇంటూ 1 మీన్స్ రూట్ 2z ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ సేమ్ లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ 3a power 4z by z minus 1. Now we use here z of sin n theta. In place of theta we have n pi and also z of n formula and z transform of 1 formula we use here. Okay, now we go to the next problem by using the fundamental formulas.